Hello, beautiful sewing friends. It's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, and this is day 102 of 365 sewing makes. I have challenged myself to show you that many. I can't hardly believe we're at 102. That doesn't even sound real. So if this is the first time you have seen one of these videos, what I do is I show you garments that I have made. I model them, such as I am as a model, and critique the pattern, critique the fabric, and talk about what my challenges were. And I always have plenty of them because I am a relatively new sewer. So if you want to see garments on real people and how they work out, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you, you will remember, maybe, from day 99, I showed you McCall's 7580, and this top is kind of, takes the spotlight on the pattern because of the bright yellowness of it. And I made this top on day 99, and I'll link the video at the end, so if you haven't seen it, you can have a look at it. And it actually, despite how it doesn't look really appealing on the envelope, it turned out quite nice, I thought. But this pattern also comes with pants, so I thought I would give them a whirl. And I also refashioned a top, and I'll talk about that. First, I'll show you. So, very wide-legged pants. They have a very, very high waistband and a little refashioned top. The pants are made out of quite a pretty green corduroy, quite a fine corduroy. They're kind of, I don't know. I really like sewing with corduroy. I have never sewed with corduroy before, but I have got recently several pieces of it, and yeah, it is fun to sew with. It stays right where you want it to be. The trick of it, of course, is when you cut it out, you make sure all the pattern pieces are going the same way because it has a nape on it, and you want it all to go the same way because then it all looks the same color. Give you another twirl. So the challenge with these pants, challenge I have with often with a lot of things, is just getting the sizing right. I fail at that miserably. These are probably a little snugger than I'd like at the top. I made some other pants in the same size yesterday from a different pattern, and they were ginormous. So yeah, I'm going to have to work at fitting the patterns more. This top was a secondhand top that was given to me in a bag of clothes, and it was, I guess you would call it an A-line top. Came out quite wide and long, and what I did is I cut it off about here, took the top in, I took the back in, and then I gathered the bottom portion and sewed it back on. And I think that worked pretty cool. Yeah, so I do like this wide band at the top. I do think it finishes them very nice. So yeah, McCall's 7580. I actually really like this pattern. and I would recommend it. And in my grateful thread today, I always end all of my videos with a bit of gratitude. I know this Christmas was different. Usually our whole family has been able to gather, which is a kind of a monumental effort on behalf of the parents that we have kids that live on either coast, and Canada's a big country, so they're far away, and they make the effort to come home at Christmas time. But with Zoom Christmas, we were actually able to see our little grandchildren in their own homes with their reactions to Santa Claus coming to their house, and it was adorable. It was so cute. I have a year-and-a-half old granddaughter in Cape Breton and a 3-year-old and a year-and-a-half grandson in Vancouver, and it was priceless to see their reaction in their own homes. So although we didn't get to have the Christmas we usually have, I am very grateful that I got to share in their Christmas in their own home, and they got to see Santa come to their house. That was great. So I hope that you had a good Christmas, and I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Till next time.